Hey guys, I said I was going to document my journey becoming a social media marketer in a social media marketing agency. So I'm learning all my knowledge solely off of TikTok and downloadable PDFs that other social media agency owners and marketers are giving me in exchange for my email address, LOL, to solicit their services. But I've literally been on TikTok every single day. And it's been 3 days now, looking at social media tips, saving videos, playing around with Canva, downloading apps, getting on Hootsuite, getting on Airtable. And tomorrow I'm submitting my very first professional branding kit / press kit to show my portfolio. And I'm praying that I get this job because I deserve it, and I just know that I have all the qualifications, the background, and more to excel at this job. So fingers crossed. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, what's up? It's Anyah. I have my brightness down, so I really can't see you guys, and my eyes are really sensitive to light. But this is what, day 2, 3-ish of trying to get a job. Didn't get my last job, win some, lose some, whatever. Because I just talked to a guy who needs a social media marketer for one of his clients' CBD businesses, and so I'll be working with the agency. So I'm really excited about that. I also have a come on, Anyah. I also have a sorry you guys, I'm blanking because I'm so excited. I also have a client that I freelanced on my Fiverr account who is interested in my services and is asking me what vision I had for his company, his yoga mat company. So I'm going to create 2 branding kits as my proposals to work with both clients, and I am so excited. I'll keep you guys updated. I also use my business candle. I use my business candle and everything. Well, not the job that I had my business candle on didn't come to fruition, but I got 2 job offers when it relates to social media marketing for myself. So I'm really excited about that, and I am very happy to be hearing this news, and it's just the confirmation that I needed. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, what's up? It's Anyah. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. Just wanted to update you guys quickly on my social media marketing manager journey. I am about to have a meeting with one of my potential clients on a CBD company, and I have created a social media branding kit for them, as well as a social media strategy and 1 presentation, and I'm going to present it today. So fingers crossed. Wish me luck. I'm really excited. And then yesterday night, I got an email from a mango shea butter company reaching out to me in inquiry of my services when it comes to social media marketing and managing. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I'm just waiting right now. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm here just waiting to enter the meeting, and then I will update you guys about how it went, how I think it went. The questions they asked me, just comment below if you have any more specific questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Wish me luck. I'm so excited. Bye. Hey guys, I just woke up. But I wanted to tell you guys that I got a response from the chat that I had with the social media marketing agency, and he said it'll be more of a freelance position role, so I'm not going to be paid by the hour, but be paid by the project, which I still think is pretty good. And I don't think I would want to be paid by the hour anyways, because most social media marketers aren't paid by the hour. They're paid by the completion of a project. So that went well. Then I responded to another social media marketing manager position for this company. and they're going to chat with me on the phone to see if I would be a good fit. So I'm really excited about that because I applied to like 20 plus social media marketing / content creation jobs. So yeah, I'm really excited to see where that goes, and I will keep you guys updated. But I'm just so blessed that I have all these opportunities. I'm really blessed. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's Anyah. So I had my call with one of my potential clients who owns a mango butter company, and she is looking for a social media marketing manager. And the call went really well. She said I was in the lead, and she said she was very impressed. So now I'm going to do 6 sample Instagram posts for her to see if I can just boost my skills and show her my creativity. They're all going to be copyrighted because, you know, we don't do free work over here. Okay? And then I'm going to follow up with her and see if I got the job, which I think I did. Well, I'm sure I did. Let's just manifest it. I got the job. I got the job, period. It's the delusion for me. But anyways, yeah, we're just going to say that I got the job, and I'll keep you guys updated on the next steps. Okay, bye. Guys, good morning. I just want to say that I'm super excited because I just signed my first contract. Yay! So I have my first client freelancing as a social media marketing manager, social media strategist, whatever you want to call it. And I'm really excited. So I'm really happy you guys follow me on this journey. Excuse me. I encourage anybody to follow your dreams and just do the damn thing, you know? And I'm really proud of myself, especially because it's only been a span of three months. Really, it's only been a span of 3 months, and I worked hard, and I'm really happy, you know? So yeah, follow your dreams. I'm gonna pop a bottle of champagne, print off the contract, you know? And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really proud of myself. So I'll talk to you guys soon and keep you updated, in case you want like tips, tricks, stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.